Hello guys, this is Taylor from Leaders RPM, and today we're checking out one of our Polaris Rangers we have here. This is the 2025 Polaris Ranger Crew 1500 NorthStar in the Ultimate trim. This Ranger is one of the biggest and baddest on the market, if you will. It has 110 horsepower out of the 3-cylinder engine. It is also going to be equipped, as you can tell in the badging here, with the steel drive transmission. For those of you who do not know, this is different than our normal clutches that we'll see in all of our other Ranger models. But this is something that is a non-serviceable or non-wearable item and will last the lifetime of the machine. Some notable features about this model that kind of set it apart is this one is designed to be the heaviest duty and the hardest working Ranger that Polaris offers. This machine will have a 3,500 pound towing capacity as well as a 1,500 pound payload capacity in the bed. Another cool feature that this machine has is the electric power dump bed. I know a lot of us have wanted that in Ranger models for several years, and now we have this available in the NorthStar configurations of the Ranger 1500. If we check out the front end of the machine here, we do have a lot going on that is new and somewhat special to the 1500 models. We all have our accent or fog lights, as I like to refer to them, up front. We are also going to have this machine equipped with a 6,000 pound Polaris winch. Just like you'd expect from all the other Polaris Ranger models, this one will have a synthetic rope and the auto stop functionality, which is probably the best thing that they've put on these, so you can't suck that in too far. It has a magnet in here with the sensor that stops it when it gets close. Just like all of our other Ranger NorthStar models, we've come to expect that it's going to have a tip-out glass windshield, power windows. It's going to have our HVAC system with heat and AC. A cool feature that they have in this one is it does have zone controls, so you can put it on defrost, you can put it on your feet, or you can have it blow out of the vents right at you. While we are talking about the cab of the machine, another cool feature that they put in the 1500 NorthStar models is actually heated seats. You can control that through your touchscreen, which is the 7-inch ride command display. There's some functionality in there to change or adjust how hot you want your seats. Also in the Ride Command display, we're going to have our standard feature set. We're going to have access to Ride Command Plus. We're going to have group ride. We're going to have our trail and navigation functions, as well as our backup camera. This will also be our head unit, if you will, to control our radio in the machine. One notable feature that they've put in it is the JBL Trail 2000 audio system, which really rocks the world or the cab of this machine. And when you're on the trail or cruising down a road, it is plenty loud, so you don't have to have it cranked up at max volume to hear while you're riding. Another feature that I really like in the design of this Ranger is how they've made the door openings. Yes, they are technically still suicide doors or backwards doors to what we're used to in automobiles today, but they have given the door a very automotive feel, both in the hinging design and the door detent, as well as the sealing and overall close of the door. It is a next step in the side-by-side industry to give us a more automotive fit and finish and design. Moving further into the cab of this machine, there's a couple nice features that are hidden and exclusive to the Ranger 1500 series. Number one is they do have flip down armrests with cup holders, and that is exclusive to the 1500 trim, and they are in the front row and the second row for our crew cab configurations. Thank you for tuning in today to check out our 2025 Crew Ranger 1500 NorthStar Ultimate. If you are interested in this model or any of the other models that we have on our website, please feel free to give us a call. You can reach us here at the store number of 269-372-1072. You can either ask for Taylor or any of the guys, and we'd be happy to help you and find the right Polaris Ranger model for you.